Bowl meals are definitely a staple in my house. They're so versatile, and since you're kind of building them on the fly, everybody can choose their own toppings and add-ins to make it their own. Hey y'all, I'm Becky, and I love sharing simple, plant-based comfort food recipes. Bowl meals actually have kind of a formula to them, and if you've been to one of those build-a-bowl restaurants, you probably are familiar with it. You start with like a grain or a green of choice, like salad greens. Then you add some veggies, you add some protein, you add a sauce, and then if you want, you can add some toppings. Usually like something crunchy maybe, like nuts or seeds, maybe some green onions or fresh herbs. Think of these bowl meals as jumping off points. Of course, if you want to, you can make them exactly the same way that I did, but you can also use any of these elements to mix and match and build your own bowl meal that uses what you have, that uses things that your family loves. These are a few of the easy bowl meals that I've been making for my family lately. First up are these Mexican-inspired tofu bowls. They star crispy baked tofu, yellow rice, roasted zucchini, and lots of fresh toppings. Start by tearing your tofu into bite-sized pieces and then mix it with cornstarch and spices. Now line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the tofu out in a single layer. Bake the tofu until it's nice and browned and crispy. Meanwhile, let's make our roasted zucchini. Slice your zucchini into rounds or half moons. Toss them with a little bit of oil. Then add lots of Mexican-inspired spices. Spread those out on a baking sheet and throw them in the oven with the tofu. Meanwhile, you have plenty of time to make your rice. I'm making a quick yellow rice, and that recipe is on my website on the same page as the Mexican tofu bowls. When the rice, veggies, and tofu are ready, it's time to assemble. Spoon your rice into your bowls, add that tender zucchini and crispy tofu, and then add your toppings. I'm adding corn, cilantro, green onion, vegan sour cream, and plenty of hot sauce. These bowls are just absolutely packed with flavor. And like the other bowl meals in this collection, you can serve them over rice or quinoa, your grain of choice, or salad greens. I'm not sure how this one would work over noodles, but if you give that a try, let me know in the comments. Next, we've got a vegan egg roll in a bowl. This is a noodle bowl with all the flavors of an egg roll, but no rolling needed. It is super easy to make and so delicious. The protein for this bowl is chicken-style seitan. Heat some toasted sesame oil in a frying pan, then add onion and salt. Cook until the onions are browned on the edges, then add ginger and garlic and cook for just a few more minutes. Add that seitan along with soy sauce and spices and a whole bag of tricolor coleslaw. When the veggies cook down, you're ready to assemble. I'm tossing this with noodles, but you could totally do this with rice or even with fried rice. What really sells the egg roll vibe is the crunchy wonton strips on top, and then a good drizzle of your favorite egg roll dipping sauce. This is basically like an egg roll you can eat for dinner, no rolling required. How about some vegan fajita bowls for dinner? These tofu fajita bowls have toothsome tofu that you marinate in this amazing fajita seasoning, and it has lots of crunchy fajita veggies. You can serve it over rice or grains or salad greens, and you can use your toppings of choice to make it your own. This is a super easy, super hands-off dinner. Start by making the fajita marinade. Mix all of those ingredients in a small bowl. Now tear your tofu into bite-sized pieces and place it into your pan. I like to tear the tofu because it gives it more surface area so it's able to take on more flavor, and it gives it more of like a chicken-like texture. If you want to cube your tofu, go for it. Now pour that fajita marinade all over the tofu. Toss it well to coat and set that aside to marinate while you prep your veggies. When the tofu's done marinating, add those fajita veggies to the pan, drizzle on some more oil, and toss everything together really well. Then bake it at 400 for about 40 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes until the tofu and veggies are cooked to preference. When the tofu and veggies are done cooking, it's dinner time! Spoon the rice into your bowls, then spoon on plenty of that tofu and veggie mixture. Then sprinkle on your toppings. I'm using pretty standard fajita toppings, but you can use anything your heart desires. So raid your fridge and pantry and see what you want to put on your fajita bowls today. This tofu fajita bowl is so flavor-packed and satisfying, it is just absolutely delicious. Last but not least are these tofu tahini bowls. You top this veggie-packed bowl with a super easy, creamy tahini sauce, and you can serve it over rice, quinoa, noodles, salad greens, whatever you want. Start by tearing your tofu into bite-sized pieces. Then make the simple marinade by combining soy sauce with garlic powder and toasted sesame oil. Whisk that together, then pour the marinade all over the tofu. Set that aside to marinate while you make your tahini sauce. In your blender, combine tahini with garlic powder, water, lemon juice, soy sauce, ginger, and your favorite hot sauce. Blend that up until it's completely smooth, then set it aside. Now spread the tofu into a single layer on a lined baking sheet and bake until it gets browned on the edges. Meanwhile, heat some sesame oil in a frying pan, add some onion and salt, and cook those up until the onion turns translucent. Add some baby bok choy and cook until that wilts and turns bright green. By now, your tofu should be done cooking and you're ready to assemble your bowls. Start with your base layer. I'm using quinoa, but you could use rice, noodles, salad greens, pretty much whatever you want here. Then add the baked tofu and the sauteed baby bok choy. Now add crunchy veggies like cucumbers and carrots and slather the whole thing with that creamy, lemony tahini sauce. I like to finish this off with a sprinkle of crushed red pepper and some avocado. But like with all of these bowl meals, mix up the toppings to use what you have and use what you love. I hope you enjoyed this collection of easy vegan bowl meals. If you try any of these recipes or have questions about them, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from y'all. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!